We have kept them on retainer so that they monitor notifications from the platform, WooCommerce, as they come out. If something needs to be checked, if a plugin needs to be updated, that's kind of being monitored at all times because we are paying for the web maintenance services. Extremely reasonable, very, very straightforward, quite honestly. And then as far as technology goes, to interface with the team, they've been using Monday as the platform for that, and that has been amazing, very responsive. I love this method of keeping in touch with them. They are basically on it 24/7. If something were to go wrong catastrophically, somebody on the team could jump on it and fix it. My 2 cents about web maintenance, highly recommend it, because then they are already looking for any pitfalls that could happen because they're monitoring emails coming in from the server in regards to your entire site. So couldn't recommend it more. It's very worth it.